I hired Lowe's to come and do this project because I'd had good success in the past on previous purchases. So I didn't do my due diligence in shopping and comparing. I was told that their contractors would be certified hardy specialists so that I would have a 30-year warranty on the product. There have been many challenges throughout the scope of the project that had to do with the installation, errors in the installation, asking for corrections of it, etc. At this point, I feel like that the comments that the people that have been communicating with me have been to uphold whatever Lowe's, bosses to hold their jobs, etc. That they're just yes men, and that they weren't interested in making the job right, and that the craftsmen that they sent to redo a problem at the front of my entry were actually poorer quality workmanship than we initially even started out with. There's additionally a lot of caulking that has not been done. I had a painter that came and did eaves on the top of the house that were not replaced with hardy, and he spent almost a day caulking in order for his part of the job to be done correctly. Things that he felt like should have been done. He did not mention this to me until after he completed the job, or I would have probably called and asked him to come back for it. I think there are many areas of the house that are substandard, and I realized that there had to be something to do with pricing. It appears that they underbid the job initially, and they've been trying to make up for it since. There were additional upcharges on materials that should have been known as to how it was going to be installed prior to the project being started. All in all, we still have issues with the house that I really, at this point, would just like to find a way to get them properly resolved. Apparently, Oklahoma Siding is the person that they used as their subcontractor to come out here to do the work. And there have been a variety of different ones that came at the different intervals of the installation. I began to seek factory representative to come out to look at the project because I would like to have the house be warranted, and I felt like that this was not correct work. And there have been pieces put in that actually look like an inexperienced homeowner might have done it. Raw edges that were left open that would be open to moisture damage, and a total lack of caulking at the corners and edges. Just poorly done.